Hey Kiara, where are you? Where are you going? Oh my God. Brother. Hello, brother. Asa ka, brother? Uy. Why you leave me alone here? Brother Louie, Kiara, come back. Just checking the gate. I'm good. I'm glad, Miss Lexi. Nice to see you again here. Brother. Unsa ka diya, brother? Chicken? Chicken. Chicken? Chicken. Chinken. Brother Louie. You want chinkin? Asay mo yung chinkan? Brother Louie. Chinken. Hello, Ikira, where's the ball? Hello, gibili naman po ni mo dito. Saan naman taong ka, uy? You want birdies, man? I want birdies. My birdies is on the trees. Cannot reach it. Yeah, you know what? Just you always watching outside and listening the birds. Brother. Ano ng mga black there, brother? What's the black color there? Oloy, Kiara. I forgot to buy groceries, so I have to eat instant pasta. It's actually good. Yeah? No problem, Miss Lexi. That's good. Ikaw, unsam ka daday? Wish I could be the one you could give you love. The kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you. Boom boom. Boom boom, shake the room na. I don't know the next lyrics. I don't know the lyrics na. Ay, Kiara, my dear. Asa ang ball, my dear? Baby, that's not me. You find someone, you'll be the one that I could ever be. We get something better than love you found with me. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need. First of all, my darling. Asa? Yung mo itong gidala inside. You bring inside. Go get. Yeah, find it. Get it dali. Oh. Birds lagi na. To anas babaw sa taro. Naa sa kuanbi, sa coconuts. Okay, golden. What's that? Okay, golden coming home now. Okay. Ay, nala di yung ball. What is that? Oh, don't put in the bowl. No. Don't put